The 2014 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual front airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, automatic stability control, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 capability, power door locks, power windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.